Hello again and welcome. On this one, we're going to actually do some coding like I promised. Um, it's going to be simple coding. If you've never coded before, it'll be a pretty cool thing. If you've coded, it's going to be boring as all hell. So, viewers' discretion on whether you get bored or not. All right. So, Python is a very simple language, easy to read, easy to write, and doesn't require very much in the syntax department to make sure that you're doing stuff properly. As you can see here, I have the single command from the previous video. There's no ending statements, no semicolons, etc. Python uses indentation to do most of its block coding. So instead of, braces or parentheses or anything along those lines, it just takes indentation. Standard indentation, I believe, is for spaces. Tabs are supported as well. I personally use soft tabs so that my tabs are converted into spaces because I do not like pressing the space bar 1,000 times whenever I make a new line. We're going to go ahead and define something. We're going to say color equals blue. Okay, that's going to define a variable color. And then let's go ahead and do x equals 5, y equals 2. All right. So now what we're going to do is kind of take these variables and do some simple arithmetic, just to show you how simple arithmetic can be on Python. We're just going to say x plus y. And what we're going to do is we're going to print this. We're going to print x plus y. And then we're also going to go ahead and print color. But we're gonna do this. We're gonna say the color is, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to our command line and we're gonna run this. And you're going to see here, it's going to say hello Python, which is our first print. Our second print is 7, which is correct. 5 plus 2 is indeed 7. We can confirm that. We have the science. And most importantly, the string concatenation. What this shows you is it actually shows you quite a bit about the language in this very simple explanation. You can see that arithmetic can be done in line very easily. There's with simple operators. You can see that strings can be concatenated with the plus sign. All these things are very, very flexible. And in fact, that's one of the things that Python's well known for, is having not only very simple syntax, but the ability to kind of extend it by including all kinds of little libraries and stuff, which we'll get to eventually. But that's just kind of the rough primer. We're going to get into some logic structures and what in the next videos. Thank you for watching.